Hello! In this video, I demonstrate how to import different seismic versions into already imported seismic lines. For reference, before you watch this video, you should watch the video on version types and attributes and the video on how we import 2D seismic in the first place. There will be links to those videos in the comments below. To begin, I will import versions into the East Shetland project that I use for the initial import. There are two ways to import versions, depending upon whether you want to import a single version into a single line, or whether you want to import a single version into multiple lines at the same time. If you want to import into a single line, then you should first select it in the 2D Seismic tab. If you want to import multiple lines, then select the folder that contains the lines. Whether you are importing into a single line or multiple lines, you perform the import by clicking the Import Versions button on the Versions tab. Clicking the Import Version button brings up the familiar File Open dialog, which you use to navigate to the directory containing the seismic version you want to import. In this case, we will import the near offset version. If you are importing into a single line, then you'll only be able to select a single seismic file here. Make sure you select the one matching your selected seismic line, or it won't import. For the purposes of this video, I will import multiple files at the same time. Notice that I have more files selected than were originally imported. This is not a problem because any files that do not have a matching seismic line will be ignored. Clicking the Open button brings up the same import dialog you saw in the initial import video. The dialog opens using the same import properties that you used previously. Make sure you set the version type appropriately before moving on. Clicking the Import button starts the import process. Notice that there is no need to manually match the imported files with their parent files because Stratoscape does that for you using the coordinates. Any imported files that it cannot match, it just ignores. Expanding the folder, you can see the imported versions attached to their parent files. So that is all there is to importing versions. Hopefully you will find it both quick and easy.